Alright guys, so I'm changing out the sensors to these more sensors, not because I want to, because they're broken. So these are the OEMs, and I don't know which one of them decided to not work for me. But here's the new sensor, and I take it that I just put this guy in there and then put the screw in there to make it look like that. Don't know why it comes with a screw and not in one piece, but I'm not asking the questions here. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it, because otherwise I'm not going to be able to get it in there. Yeah, I'm sure it only goes in one way, so I'm pretty sure this big part goes up here. I think all this is for universal fits, like adjustability and stuff. Yeah, that's what it looks like down here. Yeah, so mine's straight up and down, so that's how I'm going to put this one. It's an Allen key. Don't ask me what number. Looks like a 4 to me, anyway. Alright, made a little click sound, so that's where I'm stopping it. Looks pretty damn close to OEM. Let's see here. It's got a slight curvature, so I'm going to readjust it to have that slight curvature. Just a tad bit. Totally not sure what the angle does, so I'm not going to lie to you guys. No idea. So, sensor guys right there. So I'm going to just move this guy. I got my own portable tire changer there. Do not recommend it unless for emergencies. It was only 40 bucks for me, but they're on sale for like 80 bucks on TikTok shop. Vivor has one. That's not a Vivor for sure. That's some random brand, not gonna lie. Whatever. Can get the same amount for scrap metal, so I'm not worried about tossing it if it doesn't work. But it did work. It did its job. It debeaded the tire. It took a while, but it debeaded it. I did try the jack method. It did not work, so this is my calling now. So yeah, let me put this guy on real fast. Alright, so let me just get this into position here. Like so. So I can just put the... I want to be quick because I don't want to drop it. I did drop the other sensor, and I almost got my hand stuck trying to get it back out, so definitely don't want to do that again. Looks like a snug fit there. Now that guy is just going to hold on to it while I put this in here. Come on, man. Don't tell me I gotta give it more like a gesture. Okay. Put that guy on there. And let's forget about it. Let's try to let it be natural in there. Okay, so, oops, there's the sensor in all its glory. It's in there. Now let me try to get this crowbar out. I got it in there because I was trying to get that sensor out. So this is not natural for this guy to be in here. So let me try to just... Nope, that almost went and knocked you guys over. But here we are. Also got this on the 6 truck shop. It's a little tire holder. Thought it'd be nice. Now we get the 11 and start tightening it up. Sorry for the little. You guys are all crooked now. All right, so let's tighten that up. Like I said, this is an 11. Let me just do that by hand real fast. Okay, now we go ahead and bottom looks like it's sealed, so I think we're good. Okay, so I'm going to stop doing that because it started spinning at the bottom. Now let's go ahead and take this guy off. Okay, now we put air and hope for the best. This is pretty much how I debeaded the tire. Now, this is not a fun process by any means. So like I said, if you got time to go to a tire shop and whatnot, you'll understand why they charge with these cars. always read dimensions, always. Because this is fucking for like a motorcycle or a bicycle or something. It's not for a car. Car ones are way bigger. But it does its job, so I'm not gonna complain. So yeah. Alright, so I got her in a good position here. This guy's kind of loose now. I don't want it to fall again. That was the worst time of my life there. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so this isn't one of the easiest tasks that I've done with, but I mean, it's not the hardest. There's one. More out. I know, easier way of doing this is just leaving this guy on there while this guy's holding it. You guys can see that's more space to work here. Here accompanied by my baby. And she's playing in gravel because she loves being outside. Her mom's gonna not be happy about that one there, but you know, she's happy. That's all that matters. She likes being in the gravel. I let her in her little toy car to play around. Nope, she wanted to be in the gravel. So, and I pick her up to get out of the gravel and she starts screaming. So I'm gonna leave her in the gravel. Now, getting it out is gonna be the fun part. I'm gonna need to wiggle the crowbar in there just a little bit more, or push down on this a little bit more. I think I'll push down on this a little bit more. There we go. Comes out. This guy in there. Of course, I had to be the last one where I got good at it. Usually happens. But yeah, she walks now. So yeah, time flies. Don't blink. It is a truth. Yeah, my camera's here, but I'm watching her. So yeah, I mean, that's it for the video, guys. I'll obviously put it on the car and then show you guys how to reset the TPMS. But for right now, they should be pre-programmed, so with a little bit of driving, they should clear themselves if they would work. If they don't work, I heard you have to add pressure and release pressure and add pressure and release pressure, so the sensors quote-unquote wake up. So yeah, that's gonna be a mission. So I'm gonna crank it up to 80 psi, drop it down to 70, drop it down to 60, drop it down to 50, drop it down to 40, crank it back up, and if they don't wake up by then, I'll take it to a shop where they can read the codes with a code scanner, because I am not buying a code scanner, as I was trying not to get into a shop by using this anyway. Alright, so the sensors didn't work right away, but as you guys can see, the tire pressure works now. No longer says error. So basically what I did was I unplugged the battery overnight. I plugged it in this morning. I drove literally 5 minutes from my house to my work, and it's rating perfectly fine. And I did check the PSI. I am down 2 PSI and 1 PSI on the back tire, so it is accurate. I put them all at 40, so you know, it could be just the temperature change or whatever. Worst case scenario, I got a little nail, plug her right up, but I have a separate video showing you guys how to plug a tire. So this is why I like my sensors, because when I'm low on a tire and you can't feel it, you can feel it sometimes because it'll pull to the right, to the left, but sometimes you really can't feel it and you're going down the freeway and it's about to explode and you're not even knowing that your tire's low on the first place. So that's why I like having TPMS sensors, and I like it working, not this BS where it just decides to not work or whatever. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and please, as always, like, subscribe, comment for more. It really does help out. Even a straight up just a follow really helps. A subscription doesn't cost anything. And see you guys next time. Peace.